Hello and welcome. It may have looked like it, but my channel isn't dead. In fact, today I have a special announcement for all the level designers, design students out there, and those interested in breaking into the game industry. I'm introducing my first book, A Practical Guide to Level Design, from theory to practice, diplomacy and production. I have tried to put all my 20 years of practical AAA level design and game development experience into this one book, to provide a comprehensive coverage of the practical skills that all successful level designers need to have. This book compiles my personal tips, tricks and hacks I collected and applied successfully in the last decades. My theoretical and abstract design approach offers a common language for the later hard skill applications and practical examples. Therefore, this book includes essential chapters on topics such as layouts, cover, pacing, player guidance, ingredient usage, and technical aspects. However, I also felt it was essential to include additional chapters on, for example, level design expectations, soft skills, world building, level design direction, production, and how to find employment in the industry. A key aspect of this book is that everything here is rooted in practical experience and intended to be used in a realistic level design environment. This is not an academic piece of research, but rather 100% applicable knowledge and professional insight that comes from my experience as a designer, lead, mentor, and director. So don't wait any longer. Get your copy of A Practical Guide to Level Design, from theory to practice, diplomacy, and production today. Find the link to pre-order the book in the description below. Make sure to take advantage of the coupon code on the screen for an additional discount. Also, as a side note, I hope you understand that writing this book has taken up most of my attention in the last few years. The plan is to create more videos, especially in conjunction with some of the book's content, so stay tuned for more. A big shout out to all the supporters and subscribers of this channel. It would not have been possible without all of you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.